Hey guys, Sean here. I'm out in the garage and I've got a 2020 KTM SX-E5. This video should apply to all of them. I'm a little embarrassed. I've been out in the garage here probably a good hour or so troubleshooting this thing. My son let me know that he can't get the bike to work, okay? I'll show you exactly what's been happening. Let's power it on. Pops on. No error codes. If there were, it'd be blinking and beeping to let us know what the error code is. Full charge. I just topped it off, made sure full battery, right? Swap through the modes, no problem. Everything's great. There's 4, 5, 6, right? Bike wouldn't work. Like, what's going on? Give it a little throttle. Nothing, right? So I'm going through it. Pop the cover off, of course, disconnect the rear brake here so I could get at all the bolts to pop the motor cover off. Checking all the leads. I got this thing, the main battery leads off from the motor too. Pop that cover off, going through everything, wiping it down, using some contact cleaner, popping every clip I can. Had the seat off, pulled the magnet from under the seat. There's this magnet, of course, right? Checking everything, trying to clean up every connection. I used an air gun, blew out the motor, I make sure there's no moisture. There wasn't a drop of water, no sign of moisture, humidity, anything like that, right? Looking the whole thing over, can't figure it out. I'm playing with the throttle wire. You use a multimeter and it's given the right, as you increase the throttle, it's showing that the voltage is going up. It's can't figure it out, right? Well, hopefully I can save you some trouble here. Remember, got to roll the throttle forward. Get it to beep. Once it beeps, we're back in business. So I thought I was going crazy. Here in Iowa, we can't ride year-round, and we forgot. It's as simple as just rolling the throttle forward. So hopefully that can help out. Of course, user error, right? Here I'm going through thinking it's something bigger than it is. But anyway, maybe you have a different issue. Maybe you do have a code. Again, all those steps are great to check and test out. But if you're like me, everything's looking good, means it probably is fine. Just roll your throttle forward. Don't forget that. Hope this video can help. Again, a little embarrassed out here, but glad we got her figured out. Get the little man ripping. Thanks, everybody. God bless.